This protein pancake bread packs 14 grams of protein per slice and tastes just like your favorite protein pancakes recipe without needing to flip several pancakes. Grab a large mixing bowl for your dry ingredients. Add 3/4 a cup of oat flour. You can also use another flour like whole wheat if you prefer. Add 1/2 cup of almond flour. Add 1/2 cup of whey protein powder. I'm using a vanilla flavor here. Add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And finally, add a pinch of salt. Gently mix everything together and then set the bowl aside for now. Take out another bowl for the wet ingredients now. Grab 3 large eggs, crack them open, and add them into your bowl. Go ahead and whisk those right now. Now for the remaining wet ingredients. Add 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Add 3/4 cup of plain whole milk Greek yogurt. You can use buttermilk for that classic pancake taste if you prefer. Add 1/3 cup of maple syrup. And finally, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until it's fully combined. Grab back your bowl of dry ingredients. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and then gently fold everything together. A few lumps are fine as we don't want to overmix the batter. Then let the batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out a bread pan and line it with parchment paper. Give it a light spray of oil. Pour your batter into the bread pan and then even out the top. Bake it on 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. You'll know it's done when you use a toothpick and it comes out clean or with just a few moist crumbs. Once it's done baking, remove it from the oven. Let the bread cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then once it's cooled down, you can slice it into however many slices you like. Then you're all set to serve your protein pancake bread. You can add extra toppings like fruit or nuts or additional maple syrup like I am doing right here. This loaf stays good for up to 4 days in the fridge, so you can meal prep your mornings with this high protein bread for the next several days. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out my other high protein breakfast videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy protein-packed recipes every week.